Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. Hello dear students, in this class we will be seeing class 10th heat unit physical science subject. As the students are finding difficulty in their book reading, I would like to, in this video I would like to express how wonderful is reading habit, especially the test books. So, let us start the physical science 10th class AP board. The unit name is heat. So, in this video class we will be seeing one activity on temperature. So, let us see how to read and understand an activity. When you understand an activity, that concept is there permanently in your brain. So, it is not like mugging up a subject, it is how wonderfully you are understanding it. So, it can be easily understood with activities. So, let us take the first unit heat activity 1. Take a piece of wood and a piece of metal and keep them in a fridge or ice box. Piece of wood, piece of metal. After 15 minutes, take them out and ask your friend to touch them. Which is colder? Why? When we keep materials in a fridge, they become cold, that is, they lose heat energy. The iron and wooden pieces were kept in the fridge for the same period of time, but we feel that the metal piece is colder than the wooden piece. First point, what could be the reason for this difference in coldness? Second question, does it have any relation to the transfer of heat energy from one body to the object? So, let us understand why it happened. We placed a wood and a metal, but metal piece is colder than the wooden piece. When you touch the metal or wooden piece, you feel that they are cold. This means that heat energy is being transferred from your finger to the pieces. When you remove your finger, you don't get a feeling of coldness. This means that when heat energy flows out of your body, you get the feeling of coldness, and when heat energy enters your body, you get a feeling of hotness. You can test this by bringing your finger near to the flame of a matchbox. So, if you feel that the metal piece is colder than the wooden piece, it must mean that more heat energy flows out of your body when you touch the metal piece as compared to the wooden piece. In other words, the degree of coldness of the metal piece is greater than that of the wooden piece. The degree of coldness of metal piece is greater than that of the wooden piece. The conventional definition of temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness. So, what is the definition of temperature? The degree of hotness or coldness. So, what we understood? We say that the metal piece is at lower temperature as compared to the wooden piece when they are taken out of the fridge. Okay. So, when we take out the metal piece and wooden piece from the fridge, we find the metal piece is at lower temperature. Why does transfer of heat takes place between objects? Does transfer of heat take place in all situations? What are the conditions for the transfer of heat energy? So, let us find out. So, what is temperature? Temperature is degree of hotness or coldness. So, what is happening? That we have to find it. Thermal equilibrium, heat and temperature. When two bodies are placed in thermal contact, heat energy will be transferred from the hotter body to the colder body. This transfer of heat energy continue till both bodies attain the same degree of hotness or coldness. At this stage, we say that the bodies have achieved thermal equilibrium. Thus, the state of thermal equilibrium denote a state of a body where it neither receives nor gives out heat energy. So, here we have understood two definitions. One is temperature. What is temperature definition? The degree of hotness or coldness. And what is thermal equilibrium? Thermal equilibrium denote a state of a body where it is neither receives nor gives out heat energy. If you are not feeling either hot or cold in your surroundings, then your body is said to be in thermal equilibrium with the surrounding atmosphere. Similarly, the furniture in the room is in thermal equilibrium with the air in the room. So, we can say that the furniture and the air in the room are at the same temperature. Okay, I hope you have understood the first activity. When you are taking a metal piece or a wooden piece from a fridge, metal piece is at colder due to temperature difference, and it will be till thermal equilibrium is achieved. So, what is thermal equilibrium? The state of thermal equilibrium is a condition where the state of body thus the state of thermal equilibrium denotes a state of a body where it neither receives nor gives out heat energy. I hope you have understood the first activity. So, at the end of the first activity, we got the two definitions. One is temperature, other one is thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium is also known as absolute state of rest. I hope it is clear. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. Thank you. Good luck, students.